up, interwebs? It's your realtor, Jeremy. It's Tuesday, time for the Tuesday market update. Let's get into the numbers right away. We're looking at Tempe and Mesa this week. Here's the graph for Tempe. We're looking at the red line is the active listings, black is sold, tan is the new listings. As you can see, our new listings drop below the sold, so those actives keep coming down. Kind of a trend we've been seeing. Listing prices, as you can see, there's a little bit of a funky blip there in December. We'll have to wait and see what January looks like to let us know if this is just a blip or a kind of a trend. My gut says blip because the whole rest of the year we were increasing. If you kind of average things out, it's a pretty good increase in prices and sold prices. Absorption rate, I'm gonna sound like a broken record. Inventory levels are really, really low. We're only just over a month of inventory in Tempe, so it's crazy. And then days on market, as you can see, it definitely has declined and sort of flatlined-ish over the last 3 or 4 months. We haven't had a big change in the days on market. Taking a look at the numbers here, we got 314,160 for an average sale price, up from 304,783, about a 3% change. And then our days on market, like I said, it dropped off quite a bit in the last year. We had 38 days on market versus 68 last December, so about a 44% change. Quite a big drop. Year-to-date number, 310,944, up from 301,181, about a 3.25% change. Spread of houses, looks like the bulk of the 152 houses that sold were in that 300,000 to 400,000 price point, so about 57 of them. As you can see, numbers are pretty similar for total homes sold, meaning the buyers are still there. We're just lacking some inventory. Looking at Mesa, similar to Tempe, but a few more houses sold than in Tempe, and things seem to flatline a little bit more from an inventory standpoint in Mesa. Part of that, I think, is because it's a great investor price point, a great investor area. Also, whereas Tempe is kind of landlocked, there's no new build, no development happening. Mesa has Eastmark, and there's a lot of new stuff being built out there in that part of Mesa. So still room to grow in Mesa, which is also why I think we're seeing better appreciation in Mesa. You'll see that in just a moment. Listing prices, we have gone down over October, November, December, but not a whole lot. So we'll have to keep an eye on that trend, but definitely up a lot from last year. And then absorption rate, like Tempe, we're looking at just a little bit over a month of inventory. So broken record time, we got low inventory levels. Days on market, as you can see, definitely gone down, but different from a couple other places that we've got basically the same days on market: September, October, November, and December. So the last 4 months are pretty consistent. Average sold price, $289,968, up from $276,445, about a little under 5% change. Days on market down by about 20%, down to 43 days. Year-to-date number, $291,12, up from $269,609, nearly 8% change. Now, I mentioned that I think appreciation is better in Mesa, a lot of it because of that Eastmark development. And I'm not sure exactly why it does this, but the outlying areas where there's a lot of new development seem to be the areas that are seeing the greatest appreciation. I know when we did our appreciation scoreboard, Queen Creek, Santan Valley were definitely the highest. Those are areas that there's a lot of new development. Buckeye, Goodyear, we're seeing a lot of really good appreciation. They're outlying areas on the west side. So, and then the spread of houses, 732 houses sold last month compared to 669 in 2018. So quite a pretty sizable jump up, which means, again, the buyers are still there. The bulk of the houses sold, I would say, is the 300 to 400, but when you look at it, basically 200 to 400, that is like 3/4 of the houses that were sold. So that's it for this week's Tuesday market update. I appreciate you guys tuning in for the information. As you guys know, I believe you deserve a better quality experience. So whether you're buying or selling a home, or you know someone who is, give me a call. I'd love to show you how I deliver on that promise of a better quality experience. I look forward to seeing you guys back here next week on the Tuesday market update. Bye.